Hello, welcome back to this channel again. Are you seeing this channel for the first time? Please enable to hit the red subscribe button and also share to your loved ones, your families and friends if you find this video interesting. This is a case of breach of contract. Please enable to watch this video to the end so that you can see how the case was settled amicably. Till we come your way next time, please remain blessed.
Okay. Good morning, sir. Okay, you speak up. You're not speaking to myself. Of course, you are watching here, so you speak very loud so that other people will hear you. You don't have mic here.
Good morning.
Okay.
My name is Kano Ikechukwu, Managing Director of Crown Tech Electrical Services Limited.
Your voice is very poor. The gadgets we are using cannot really pick what you're saying.
Okay, let me come again. So my name is Kano Ikechukwu, Managing Director of Crown Tech Electrical Services Limited. We registered a business as a business relationship with Alcon Nigeria Limited sometime last year, which was approved. Then we started business with them. So we've done a series of them, both LPO and PO jobs and cash businesses. So the issue that we are having with them is that most of the PO jobs that we deal with them have not been paid. So and we were trying to read them, pleading that they should pay.
Let's stop there.
Pleading that they should pay off those debt because we borrow money to finance the transaction, and people that I got the money for, they're like on my neck. So sometime early this year, before the COVID-19 lockdown, the people that gave me financial assistance was like that I should pay all the money because the job condition, that is the condition of the contract, was like whenever you supply things to them, then within 60 working days, then the payment shall be made in our corporate account. But unfortunately, some of the money that like I'm demanding from them was job that we did last year November. Then only few that we did around some January then February, which all of them have are overdue for payments because they said from what the contract condition for 60 working days. Most of some of them are now by next month in November. Some of them will now be as in a year. So we have been pleading, going there for them to pay all the money. No avail. Then later now, around July, the people that gave us money, then they voted at their patients. Then they went to police and got me arrested. So which the police people came and investigated the matter. Then after the whole thing, I told them that the Alcon company have not paid, which the police people gave me some of the officials. Then we went to the company, their Transamade head office. Then unfortunately, then there was the time that most companies are still on as cater services. That lockdown was having lockdown. So, but luckily for us, the police people now made their security as imposed. They directed us to the chief security officer. So they now told them what they came for. Understand? So which the chief security officer have to confirm from the accounting department that really that they are as owing us. So the police people now later at the end of everything, they now advise them they should make plans and pay off that money so that I can be able to as in pay back the money that I collected from people, which they gave them promise that they will do for a way and pay off the this thing, the money. Up to that should be around July. After July, August, September, then I went there again because that money had not been paid, which I now went back again. But then now then I sent a mail. I sent a mail to the account manager because I have his ID card, so I have to use his email and now send him a mail. Then later, one day I went there, then luckily for me, I now had access to him, which I asked him about as in the mail that I sent. No acknowledgement, nothing. Then he denied that he did not receive the mail. So I had a hard copy of the letter, which I gave it to him right there in his office. So this will like happen around September. So he now promised me that he will go through the letter. Then by upper week, as in that date, now promising that the next week that they will look for how to pay back the money. Then I now left the company.
That's to the manager.
The manager, yeah, the people listen. Then up till that time, or from that time till now, have not received 1 naira, no, from the company.
That is since when?
Now. Since September till now. That should be September till now. September till now. That was when he gave me the promise. But he had been promising me that they will pay that money since even before the lockdown.
How much is the total money?
The total is 3,366,000 367,50 kobo.
3,367,50.
3 million. I'm coming now. Let me get it right. Yeah, 3,558,705 naira.
What did you supply to them?
We supply electrical materials. Electrical material is what we do. The job this is the analysis of
was there any presented check?
No, they don't give check. You after the supply, then you submit your invoice with them as a printed copy of your invoice. So they will pay the money direct to your account.
And what has been their excuse?
Their excuse. So the last time I told the G, they said that they work for shares, and share was like owing them, and some other people like LNG. So they're owing them. Maybe they don't have as money, the life fund since early this year.
So when you were arrested by the police, when you were arrested by the people that borrowed you money or you collected this thing, did he come to the station to clarify that Akon was actually owing?
No, they did not. The police people later decided to now took me to the company. I told them that I used the money as a supply. Yes. They did not pay. So they now decided to say, let's go there and as in verify to be sure that what I did, which they took me to that place and they agreed. They confirmed that they are owing me. So they now advise them that they should pay off the money so that I can be able to refund people's money to them.
Yeah.
To have peace. Since that time, which they now told that they would do something about it. Since that time till now, I've not received any funding from them.
What did they write? Was there any undertaking they write to the police?
No.
No undertaking.
No undertaking, because that day they tried to reach that the account manager. So he said that he was not on seat that day. So they have to pass the message through the chief security officer to the company, which he promised that he will deliver the message to him.
What is the number? Because I think we have handed. Have you really gotten the right number now?
Yes, yeah, I have his number, the number that is one of the number on his complimentary card, which if you call him, that number used to go. His number
What
is
is
of 080.
no? Just write it. Is it at this cost that you have this body? Is it how your situation, your condition have been?
Yes, yes.
Not on this,
No,
not because
no,
of this.
no, not
And the not where the number, the telephone number, which one? Where?
is this.
This one. But this, like this number we have called before now.
Yeah.
The number doesn't go. We try that number the day we handle your case.
It's not that number that we normally use to call him, but every time you call the number, he won't take your call. He won't take it.
The number is not going.
Maybe because today is a public holiday, maybe it's.
Is it an office number?
Yeah,
You don't have his personal
no,
number.
I don't have his personal number. That is his official line.
That is the official line.
Yeah.
And you don't have a AFCON other office line.
I don't have this thing here.
Who directly signed your contract documents?
For myself.
No, in the company.
Okay,
Who
the company.
acknowledged the supply and all those documents?
The procurement manager. I think I submitted the thing that you to sign.
You don't have any contract agreement between them, you and them?
Yeah, we have that. I think I gave you. Look at it here. I have a condition, I have the agreement.
Don't worry, so you'll not break my agreement.
See it.
The condition, please be informed that this was given to you.
Yes, it comes with every people's. That is the job condition.
In consideration of payment of the price by the company, the contractor must supply to the company the goods and or perform the services in accordance with the terms and conditions stated therein. The above price is deemed all inclusive of materials, local taxes, insurance, and all related expenses, not limiting all charges for packing, delivery, and cost of any items used or supplied in the course of the service. The company shall reject any substandard material supplied and or service delivered before or after payment, and the contractor shall refund the payment made for the materials or services. All goods delivered by the contractor must be new and match the description referred to in the purchase order unless otherwise supplied. The goods must be of merchantable quality and fit for purpose for which the goods, services of its kind are commonly identified with and of which the company specifies. Payment will be within 60 working days on receipt invoice after delivery of materials and confirmation in alcohol-based store, and amount of 55% of withholding tax shall be deducted accordingly. Your tin of being numbers should be stated on your services, on your invoices. No financial charges of any sort will be accepted or recognized. Goods or services shall be delivered not later than 5 days of the approved LPO date. Otherwise, LPO will be null and void. Any terms and conditions submitted by the contractor prior to, after or along with the insurance of this LPO will be of no legal effect and shall not constitute part of this purchase order. The contractor must perform the services by the date of delivery, but in the event the supply of goods, services are not carried out by the delivery date, the LPO shall be declared null and void. Title in the goods passes to the company upon receipt and acceptance of the goods. Therefore, goods ordered by the company and full value thereof are the responsibility of the contractor. supply until the goods. Anyway, we are going is payment to be made 60 working days, within 60 working days, which has elapsed. And the company did not deem it fit that they have defaulted in their own contract agreement with you people. How many of you are involved in this?
It's only myself.
Only yourself.
Yes.
Have you been visiting their office?
Yes.
And what has been his? Have you been meeting the man himself?
No, that man. Whenever you come to the company. Those security people, they will tell them they should tell you that he's not on seat.
They should tell that he's not on seat.
Yeah. So you always you told them not to allow people to come and meet him one-on-one.
Okay, what to do? Let me just assume that the company is closed today. Tomorrow I'm going to visit your case. Yes. But either tomorrow depends on I don't know where you are. Where I'm going to preside from tomorrow might be far from you. Either you choose tomorrow or you choose Monday. I'll make a time to attend to you. We are going to bring out the number for our members to call across to ensure and beg the account to return your money back to you for whatever reason. And the manager on his own that is representing company and is not willing to come out and approach customers in a polite manner, instead of he will be running scatter, hiding his face. I don't think this platform is not where they can tolerate that. Can see your condition. It's like you have stroke.
No, it's not stroke.
What is that?
When I was 3 years old, they gave me injection. So
oh my God.
Management. So it's because of all this stress. When I went through
yes.
stress,
and there's nothing they can do about that.
No, nothing for now.
So people are just unnecessarily wicked. How can you owe somebody you have? Okay, if it's the contractor that default now, that will be a different case. Then they'll be using police to be chasing the contractor up and down. They have supplied you, the goods is with you, and even before they supply, they should be. That is another thing. You know, some of us will be desperate to have contracts. Unknowingly to others, there are some certain things you need to allow to happen. Otherwise, don't engage yourself. There should be an advance payment. There should be an advance payment. Because if they have given you advance, I think by now you should be talking about the balance. When they don't mobilize you, you source money to supply or source goods from people's shop where their capitals and their interest is being there. Nobody will just sit and be watching you that you supply somebody. And Alcon Nigeria Limited is a big company that people know. So I think on Monday we should do that. On Monday or Tuesday that you are less, you are strong. Just call, just send message within this weekend. Let's fix the date and bring it out so that we'll allow people to call. Even who knows the MD of the Alcon should bring the numbers out so that we'll call and they should see your condition and return your money back to you. They have locked you because of the same Alcon. What kind of rubbish is that? They keep frustrating people. They keep making youths going up. And at the end of the day, if you go there with something else again, or you protest there, it's a different thing. Then they'll be inviting police to get you arrested. People will be making effort. Nigerian wicked, so-called rich men will not allow people to progress in this country. How can somebody supply a company, Alcon Nigeria Limited, they supply you goods worth 3.something million? Over how many months you did not pay? And you have an agreement to pay within 60 days. Is this obtainable in any Western world? It's only this stupid country that you find this kind of nonsense. You'll be sitting at the comfort of his own house, enjoying his wife and children, enjoy his money, while somebody is suffering up and down. He came all the way from Rivers State to come and attend this case. By Monday or Tuesday, we are going to publish them very well. Let them return your money back to you. What nonsense is that? All the company and you people are just killing people slowly. We beg them, beg the governor of Rivers State, let them beg Arcon Nigeria Limited to return your money, this person back, the money back to him. Please, viewers, tomorrow, sorry, Monday or Tuesday, I know some of you that really have the MD of Arcon number. The manager is hiding his face, he's not attending to them. And this young man came all the way from Rivers State to come and attend this case. He has been locked up by the police by those that borrowed him money, that sourced money for him to supply Arcon those electrical parts. And Arcon have defaulted in their own aspects. And I believe they have legal department in such company, which they need to advise them right. You're expecting people to die before you return their money back to them. Please join, and I still encourage you, please sort any available and useful number that we can get across to them by Monday or Tuesday to enable this young man money be paid back to him, please. Join us for other interesting cases in the morning.